only two types of people in this world. The type of people that immediately unpack when they get home from a trip, or the people that live out of their suitcase and bags for a whole month. Unfortunately, I am the latter. It's the morning after our beach trip. Let's unpack and put all of my stuff away. Let's start with the easiest thing, putting the water in the fridge. These are great for traveling. I don't know how to pronounce this. I think it's the Lavi, the shampoo, conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and then a detangler. I bring these when I like fly or travel. The perfect size.